Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace a fuel filter on a diesel car. On this specific model we have the filter here next to the engine. They're usually located in the engine bay or at the back at the tank. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this cover, and it's held on by like two bolts, one here and one behind here. Yeah, so let's start with that. This one is an 8mm. We have one here as well. The last bolt is located here behind. And now this bracket is loose, so you can move it to the side somewhere. Maybe I will disconnect this thing as well because it's in the way. Like that. Gonna put it somewhere to the side so it doesn't break. Just put it like this. You can take like zip ties if you want, or like you could remove the whole thing, but now it's out of the way. So let's continue by removing first the connector here, where you're gonna use a small screwdriver and press it open. Like that is removed. And now after we're gonna remove the fuel lines, and yeah. To remove the fuel lines you basically have to press like this. You press this down and you pull. But I'm gonna be real careful. Be really careful when you do this so you don't break them. Like that. This one is broken. So now we're gonna remove the holders, and it's basically like 3 bolts. And now we're gonna remove the bracket. And lift up the fuel filter. This is how it looks without a fuel filter. We're gonna install the new one now. We're gonna start by connecting the fuel that goes from the tank to the filter. And then we're gonna prime it. For this one I'm gonna use a pump, and I'm gonna pump until I can see a diesel going like through the line. So we're gonna start by doing that. I mean, we could You could do anyway, but I'm gonna start with that at least, and then like I'm gonna screw this on after. So basically this is my setup. I have the pump here. I'm gonna pump diesel until like I can see it, and then it's gonna go through this one and down here. So let's go. We're gonna put this back, and we're gonna try to start the car. This one was broken, so I'm gonna use a zip tie once again. We're gonna screw back all the screws, and then we're gonna check if it works. But at least now the fuel filter is full with diesel, and like you can do this in different ways. Like you could pre-fill it, or you could use like a syringe and like pure diesel into it. But I think this way it will work. But let's see. So guys, these are the tools that I used. I used a small ratchet with an extender and an 8mm socket, and then I used a small screwdriver for the clips on the fuel lines, and then I used a pump. So guys, we're gonna press on the ignition sometimes, but we're not gonna start. We're just gonna let it work a bit. Do this maybe 5 times, just to be sure. Okay, let's try. Moment of truth. It started. Let's let it run for a bit. I'm gonna leave it to run. I'm gonna leave it to run. I'm gonna put back all the screws, and then I'm gonna take it for a spin test drive to make sure it works fine. So yeah guys, that's how you change a fuel filter on basically any diesel car. Don't forget, you always need to prime the filter, otherwise your car will probably not start. And you can do it in different ways. As I said, you can prime it with a pump, any type of pump, or you could fill the fuel filter full with diesel. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please do like and subscribe. Bye. Finished.